Hey photography enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a closer look at the Canon EOS Rebel T100 DSLR camera. Known for its reliable performance and user-friendly features, this camera is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Let's dive into the specifics and see what makes the Canon EOS Rebel T100 stand out. Design and build quality. The Canon EOS Rebel T100 boasts a classic DSLR design with a solid build that feels both sturdy and durable. The ergonomically designed grip provides a comfortable hold, making it easy to handle during extended shooting sessions. The camera's layout is intuitive, with well-placed buttons and dials that offer quick access to essential settings. Image quality. At the heart of the Canon EOS Rebel T100 is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor delivers impressive image quality, capturing stunningly detailed and vibrant photos. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the T100 ensures sharpness and clarity with every click. The camera's Digic 4 Plus image processor enhances image quality, providing excellent color reproduction and reducing noise, even in low-light conditions. Autofocus and performance. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS Rebel T100 is its fast and accurate autofocus system. The 9-point AF system ensures that your subjects are in sharp focus, whether they're stationary or moving. This camera is capable of continuous shooting at up to 3 frames per second FPS, which is perfect for capturing action shots and fleeting moments with ease. Video capabilities. For those interested in videography, the Canon EOS Rebel T100 offers full HD 1080p video recording at 30 fps. The camera delivers high-quality video with impressive clarity and detail. The built-in microphone captures decent audio, and the camera's video recording capabilities are ideal for vlogging, casual video shooting, and capturing special moments. User-friendly features. The Canon EOS Rebel T100 is designed with the user in mind. The 3-inch LCD screen provides a clear and bright display, making it easy to compose shots and review images. The camera also features a guided menu system that is perfect for beginners, helping them understand and utilize various shooting modes and settings effectively. Connectivity. This DSLR comes with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, allowing for easy sharing and transferring of photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. The Canon Camera Connect app enhances connectivity, enabling remote shooting and seamless sharing on social media platforms. Battery life. Battery life is a critical factor for any photographer, and the Canon EOS Rebel T100 does not disappoint. The camera offers a robust battery performance, allowing for extended shooting sessions without frequent recharges. This is especially beneficial for travel photography and long photo shoots. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel T100 DSLR camera is a fantastic option for anyone looking to step up their photography game. Its impressive image quality, user-friendly features, reliable autofocus, and solid build make it a top choice for beginners and seasoned photographers alike. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or embarking on a photographic adventure, the T100 will deliver outstanding results. If you're ready to elevate your photography, the Canon EOS Rebel T100 is a worthy investment. Don't forget to check out the latest deals and accessories to complement your new camera. Happy shooting!